Hello friends, this is Bhushan Nimlekar from Daisar Connect, and today I am with the Chintan Vasani. He is a co-founder, partner of WiseBiz Reality, and I have known him as that. But today he has grown leaps and bounds. He is basically from Daisar. Now actually he is an international personality. But to speak about Chintan himself and what is his vision for Daisar, I have come to his office and giving him the award. I'm supposed to give him the award later on, but I want to get his views exactly what Daisar should be in future times to come. Chintan, what is your opinion?
So thank you so much for having me.
It's a
in
pleasure.
this super chat that you are having with all the Daisarkars. I feel proud that I have made it to this particular chat.
You deserve it.
Thank you, sir. And you forgot one of my introduction that I'm also a Nimlekarite.
Thank you.
I've known you and ma'am since when I was in school at St. Mary's, and I'm not basically from Daisar, but I am Daisar, I would say, because you can take a Daisarite out of Daisar. We have house in Borivali, but then there's always कोई भी जब पूछता है कि आप लोग कहाँ, where do you stay है, तो पहले Daisar ही निकलता है. If anyone who is from Daisar, I think he can resonate with me or what I'm saying कि अगर कोई Daisar का है वो Daisar will always stay with him.
Adolescence वहाँ पे था ना, बचपन वहीं पे चला गया.
100%. And today when I see because I'm into real estate and I see the potential what Daisar has. Like before we started this video, we were talking about that. Today, whenever you, dad, whoever meet, you have stories about your train travels.
Yeah.
I would have stories about my train and bus travels, traveling by bus, traveling by auto rickshaw. Now the next generation has already started talking about metro. So their memories, their thought processes will all be with their metro the kind of interactions they would have in the metro trains. And just imagine how the Mumbai metro is coming
Can you
up.
emphasize on that?
So आप कभी भी I remember whenever you chill with dad, आपके पास उस स्कूल की आपके train travels का discussion
I agree with you. Talking about the metro thing, so it's very interesting.
The metro thing, I think it is gonna change everything about how someone thinks, how someone travels. If you go 10, 15, 20, 30 years back in your life, कोई भी जगह का भाव ऐसे ही होता था कि दाइसर स्टेशन से कितना दूर है, उसका रेट उतना ज्यादा है, या उसको बेचना was much easier because it was near the station, near the market. Market was always near the station. Now, people using the station, people using the metro. In a few years, it will be almost similar. The kind of people who are using. So, metro will come in epicenter of everything the way Daisar station, railway station was. So, what is going to do is any property which is near the metro will start fetching a higher rate.
It will escalate.
It will escalate leaps and bounds. There will be more brands coming in and around metro. Like I was just saying, there is a Starbucks which had opened 4 years back. So उन लोग का market research I got a chance to read. So they opened Starbucks because it was near the Borivali metro station on the Link Road. The business went off the roof. The reason being how near it was to the metro. People. अभी तक सर कैसा होता है कि वो कल्चर अभी भी बॉम्बे में, मुंबई में इट इज कमिंग. इन द यूएस इफ यू सी पीपल हैव दिस थिंग के ऑफिस जाते वक्त दे जस्ट गो टू अ स्टारबक्स, पिक अप अ स्टारबक और हैव अ सैंडविच, दे गो टू ऑफिस, दे कम बैक. अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा इंडिया में भी वो कल्चर आने लगा है. लाइक यू सी हाउ पीपल आर स्पेंडिंग ऑन जोमैटो, स्विगी. सो दिस इजी गेटिंग थिंग्स डन, रीचिंग टू द ऑफिस, नो वन वांट्स टू मूव. Accessibility हो गया, and people have income right now where they are okay to spend like 1,000 rupees on a coffee and a sandwich, which is अगर आप 10 साल पहले जाओ या आप लोग का जनरेशन अभी भी बोलेगा यार it is a stupidity to do that. But then there are these people in the age group of 25 to 35 who still think ये कर सकते हैं. Now secondly sir, I was talking about how the Mumbai metro, which starts from the highway, it comes from the Link Road. So it comes, Anand Nagar is a classic example जहाँ दोनों आके मिलता है. So anyone from Kandivali East or say Borivali East wants to travel to Borivali West, he would actually come to Daisar and then go. तो क्या होता है वो दहीसर पे आके बोलते हैं ना वो टोल नाका भरना पड़ता है. So you know people are coming to Dahisar. It's a patronage that they have to give to Dahisar. So that will bring a lot of people coming to Dahisar. Dahisar will become one of the reasons.
Gateway of Mumbai.
Gateway of Mumbai जैसे आप हमेशा Dahisar Connect में बोलते हो. The kind of potential that Dahisar has, it has just started.
Okay.
There's a data, sir. Like you know, like our company had got
Organized.
hold to it.
Yeah.
So और इन अ ईयर हर 2 महीने में 2,500 नई फैमिलीज दहीसर में आएगी. द न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन जो अभी रेडी हो रहा है, जस्ट इमेजिन अगर 2,500 फैमिलीज आई एंड एवरेज 3 से 4 जन अगर आप पकड़ो एक फैमिली में, सो देयर विल बी अ न्यू पॉपुलेशन ऑफ मोर देन 15 to 20,000 people in a very short span of time. These are all new people new to Dahisar. ये लोग अगर यहाँ पे आएंगे, they will be bringing their entire ecosystem. They will want to go to schools. They will want to have like you know good restaurants around them. So Dahisar का जो growth है, it has just started. Again, Borivali, where we are currently right now, Borivali has picked up to the next level right now. Automatically, that all benefit Dahisar being closest to Borivali, वो उसको मिलता है. And I think, you know, people coming from Thane, people coming from Gujarat, people coming from any part entering the first station is Dahisar. So a lot of NRIs who want to invest into Mumbai, Dahisar is a very good option, new construction. There are good locations in Dahisar, there are good gardens. अभी भी अगर आप डेंसिटी अगर आप देखोगे कंपेयर टू अदर सबर्ब्स, दहीसर का डेंसिटी, human density to you know open spaces is much better than any of the other places.
Okay.
So I think everything is going for Dahisar, and you know there are good initiatives like Dahisar Connect, which is actually connecting people to Dahisar, and institutions like this have to come forward in like you know making create awareness about the location and also make location a brand. So I think I should thank you to make Dahisar a brand, sir.
See, I'll tell you what. We always wanted Dahisar to be on the international level, global level, as what I told you. We should have international sports complexes, or you know, exhibition centers, and lot of offices, corporates should shift to Dahisar so that people from beyond Dahisar, like Virar, Palghar, and all, they find it easy to come to Dahisar. So commercially also, there will be a lot of growth. That's what I feel.
See, commercial, sir, I'll tell you what, work from home concept does not work in India. To be very, you know, as far as I understand the Indian psychology, work from home हमारे इधर नहीं चलता है. Work near home works.
Yeah, that's why.
So you know the moment so many people come into Mumbai, come into Dahisar to stay, they will want their offices to be near their homes.
True.
So it is, मैं बोलते हैं ना सर, it's a butterfly effect. एक अच्छा हुआ तो automatically there are other things which
cascading effect, as you call it.
Yes.
It falls in the right place. So I think as a visionary, as a younger generation, second gen, as what you know, I thought, I always knew Dad Bharat Bhai, who was a close friend of mine, but I always wanted the younger generation to put forth their views as to what you see Dahisar from, you know, in the next 10 years from now. So
in the next 10 years, I think Dahisar would command the same rate what Andheri does, what Bandra does. The reason, जैसे मैंने बोला, वो इंटरसेक्शन जो हो रहा है, एंड अगर आप ग्रेजुअली देखोगे कोई चीज बहुत ऊपर गया है, कोई चीज यहाँ पर है, तो इसका वहां पे रहना स्टेबल हो जाएगा. दिस विल कीप ग्रोइंग. सो एक पॉइंट पे ऐसा आएगा कि मुंबई में एमएमआर जो हम लोग बोलते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट पैसा इट वुड बी द सेम.
it will be at par.
Everything will be at the par. That is what I feel. That is what
Your
a good,
opinion.
my opinion, जो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, going ahead 10 years. So you always invest into a place which has not grown so much.
True.
I think Dahisar is a classic example where it's a good time to buy a house, buy an office, or any of the residential or real estate के लिए invest करना है. Dahisar is a good option.
Very good. So my friends, when I conclude this interaction with Mr. Chintan Vasani, I myself have gained a lot of knowledge that he speaks about metro is a game changer, and as I also mentioned to him that it's going to be various international projects because there are a lot of bodies who are taking care of Dahisar, and they should also envision Dahisar to come on the global level. So I request all of them to come together, and youngsters like Chintan and his colleagues should participate in the growth of Dahisar. Thank you, Chintan, for your
Thank you, sir.
valuable time. God bless you. I want to give this award, of course, before I wind up this session. This is an award for Mr. Chintan Vasani for his contribution towards Dahisar, and I wish him success in life.
Thank you so much, Dahisar Connect and Nimlekar sir, for this amazing award. Thank you, ma'am.